everybody, it's Everett with you back from Hood Time Welding. Today we're going to be working on the giveaway project. For those that haven't seen it yet, it is a lit up welcome sign made out of some sheet steel. We're going to have to bend some corners into it, or bend some sides onto it, and I'm actually thinking about the letter's going to be thicker and everything, and I think it's going to look pretty cool. Like I said, it's going to light up and you'll be able to change colors with the lights that I get. So I think it's going to be pretty cool. I think whoever wins it's going to be happy. So let's go ahead and get started working on it. First thing we're going to do is lay everything out, then we'll have to cut the sheet, bend it, and all that good stuff. So let's get started there. And as always, thanks for watching. So as you can see, I've got the welcome cut out. I was thinking about stencils, but stencils are just too uniform for me. I want to make it look a little more organic by doing it by hand, and then just cleaning it up, like rounding out the corners and stuff. It's not perfect, but I didn't want it to be perfect. I want it to be, like I said, a little bit more of an organic look. So what we got to do now is just bend these two sides down. I don't have a press brake, which I wish I did, but I don't. So I'm going to be doing it the old-fashioned way. I'll clamp her right to the table here and then do it by hand. After I get done with that, I'm actually going to probably layer this behind the lettering, because I think that'll sort of make it pop and make it look a little bit cooler. So we'll go ahead and keep working on that. Like I said, it's just something simple. I don't like to get too... I don't know, I don't like stuff that is factory made, every piece is the same. I like doing, the handcrafted stuff. I think people really appreciate it a little bit more. So anyways, like I said, let's go ahead and get going, get back into it. welcome sign's all set up here. I went with some expanded metal on the back because I just thought it would look a little bit cooler when the light shines through. So what we have left to do is we need to put a back on it to keep the light in. The other thing we need to do, or the other thing I want to do, so you can see these two twirls on either end. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut those off flush, and I'm going to actually put them on top and bottom. I just figured that'd give it just a little bit more flair, make it look a little bit nicer. So the back plate's going to be removable. First thing we're going to have to do is just cut a piece for it and then figure out how to mount it inside. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do that yet, but we'll get working on that and figure it out. Sorry about that, everybody. After I got done drilling, I forgot to turn the camera around, so you missed it. I got the bottom and top piece on. I think it make it just pop out a little bit more. The holes I had to widen just a little bit. If you look real close, you can see like these ones are just a little off. I mean, I put these in by hand and didn't do a great job, but everything fits now. This fits right down in there. We'll be able to bolt it on to keep the light in. This is going to be all black all the way around with a silver backing. I got some lights to put in it, so it'll look pretty cool. So after we get done painting, we'll go ahead and give you a shot of that so you can see what it looks like all done. Thanks. So as you can see, the sign's all done. I got the lights installed. Right now it's on a phase where it fades in and out. There's a couple different ones. You can jump from color to color. You can do different phases. You can keep it a solid color. You know, it'll be whatever the customer wants, but I think it turned out pretty well. The silver in the back is reflecting the light real well up through, and I think it sticks out well. It'll be pretty cool on somebody's porch. So as always, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.